Hello friends, today we will show how the benefits of lemon and garlic in blood pressure. Adding half a lemon juice to half a glass of normal water and drinking it 2 to 3 times a day at an interval of every 2 hours gives immediately relief in high BP. The sulfur present in garlic cleans the blood arteries, so it protects us from heart attack. By consuming garlic, the blood pressure of the body also remains under control. Use garlic and lemon water to reduce your weight. After waking up in the morning, take 3 cloves of garlic. You can consume it raw if you want, but if you want, you can also boil it. After this, make lemon water and consume it. Garlic is very beneficial for stomach-related problems. Also, by consuming it, it cleans the toxins present in your stomach. If you have a problem of acidity, then stop consuming lemon immediately because it contains acid. By consuming garlic, not only the blood circulation remains regular, but heart-related problems also stay away. Regular use of lemon increases the immunity of our body. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for Ayurvedic information at home.